I put it on him. Didn't we do that?
You know, I didn't try that, right?
The ball is going to come up the hill and don't come back down. It's going to go up, stop, and roll back down.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I only tied it like one knot.
No.
He's like, okay, hurry. I'm like, all right, what's John going to do if he's going backwards? He's going to have to try to look like this. I should go help him. I'll be back. This isn't a smart idea.
Well, then.
Oh, crash! Oh man, this is kinky.
Laying down in a road.
So, that's spontaneity.
Spontaneity?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
It's working.
It looks like
Ew.
This is like in the gang.
Are you?
Gang.
On a bunch of bikes and scooters.
I'm in a scooter gang. They call me the queen of the scooters.
If we were like a gang in a city, they would all laugh at us.
They'd kill us.
They would not laugh at me.
We'd be fried,
They would
no,
rape you, and then they
sliced
would laugh
meat
at
by
you.
They
now.
wouldn't do none of those things.
Do that.
We should start like a
Cult.
gang of stuff with this.
We just did.
We were just talking about it, and then you walk up and you're like, we should start a gang.
And then we were like, but they will laugh at us.
Well, I heard
We're like,
she said something about
Queen of scooters.
that made me think of a gang.
what
Ah!
happened up there?